Hey everybody, this is Ashley Jones. I'm going to show you how to do a split letter in Perfect Embroidery Pro. The easiest way to do a split letter is to start with an artwork. So we're going to import a true type text and then convert it to satin. So I'm going to do File, Import True Type Text. Choose the letter that you want to create and then choose this button, the triple dot, and that allows me to choose from a different font. So choose the font that you'd want. I'm going to use this copper plate Gothic and I'm going to make it bold. I'm going to click OK and click OK again. That puts my letter on the screen. So to split this letter exactly down the center, I'm going to create a guideline here so that I can split it perfectly. So you'll click on your ruler bar and then drag down and drag this line exactly over the center of the letter. That gives me a guideline to use for my split. To split this letter, we're going to use our slice tool, which is this one here. Click it, and then I'm going to click right on my guide tool, my guideline, that blue guideline I created. So click and then drag your mouse across so that you can create the entire line that you want to split, making it straight. And then I'm going to release everything, do a right mouse click, come up and choose my select tool, and then I'm going to choose my break apart tool. So now my letters are easily separated, my letter. So I'm going to leave it together first, and I'm going to select everything by doing a Control A, or either you can do Edit, Select All. And then I'm going to do a right mouse click and convert it to a satin stitch. And now let's adjust the size at this point to what you want it to be. So over in our Transform tool, Transform Property box, then increase the height to whatever you want. I'm going to make it 2 inches because once we split it, it'll have another inch or so in the middle. And I'm going to click Apply. And then now I'm going to separate my letter. So you're going to choose your Select tool and just click on half of it. I'm going to slide this apart. And you can slide it apart as far as you want. It can be adjusted later. And now let's create 2 satin stitch lines that will be kind of the finishing edge, and you can put your letters between them. So here I'm going to choose my steel stitch, and I'm going to click somewhere over here, however far out you want it. And then I'm going to drag my mouse to the right, holding down my Shift key, and then I'm going to click again out here to the right. And then I'm going to right mouse click to set it, and it creates this bar. Choose your Select tool, slide this up, and now I'm just going to copy and paste by choosing the Copy, Paste, and it pastes it right on top. And then I can click that one and drag it down here. So now go up, choose your text that you want to put in the center. I'm choosing my text tool, 1 click on the screen, and then type the name that you want. Choose the particular font that you want by clicking on the font catalog. Choose the font, click OK, and then now position the words in the middle of your design. If it's not far enough apart, you can select the top 2, slide it up a little bit more. Position your name the distance that you want. Now select everything by doing Edit, Select All, or Control A, and use your horizontal center align option. So everything's perfectly centered. You can even change the color if you'd like. So if you want to change the color, I will select just the letter D and make that the color that you want. Select the 2 steel stitch lines and make that the color you want by right clicking on the color chip and then choosing the name and making that the color you want. So there you have a split letter monogram with a name.